Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? So I know previously I spoke about doing a giveaway, which I am going to do. I want to give some couple things away, but first I'm going to start off giving away the CNCO Deja Vu CD and giving away at least $25 first starting Amazon gift. A lot of people voted on CNCO to be first. A lot of people voted on yes to the $25 gift card. So what I'm going to do is I am thinking about doing ordering the CD from Amazon and ship to the person's address based on the address they gave me that can take shipping based off their choosing, and also the same thing with Amazon gift card. So the reason why I'm doing this, because last year I started my YouTube channel July the 4th or 5th. So this year make 1 year. Yay. I have over 2,000 subscribers. Yay. I have over 400 views and over 20,000 watch hours, which is very good, which means people are actually coming back and actually watching according to the Google algorithm. I mean, not Google, according to YouTube algorithm and requirements. So I'm really happy for that. So I was thinking about, well, like, what am I going to do? I don't know what to do first. How am I going to do this? So I decided to make it more fun to all my CNC owners out there and one who watch me so much. First of all, I would love for you to be a subscriber to me. So you need to be subscribed to my channel. And for you to show that, for you to show proof that you subscribe to me, most of them do talk to me on Instagram. So you could go to my Instagram page, which is, the info is located in all my videos bio. All the videos bio section is, my Instagram is right there. You send me a screenshot that you subscribe to me. And then I want you to answer this question when it comes to CNCO. Which CNCO video made me become a fan? This should be very easy. This should be very, very easy. Which CNCO, you know what? Which CNCO song / live performance, because just all together made me a fan of CNCO. This is very easy. This is so easy. And then we could go from there. But I really can't stress the fact how much I'm very happy for the subscribers I have and the ones who keep coming back and the ones who are giving me recommendations and selection and stuff. But my only thing is that when I ask for links, you guys tell me song titles, what you want me to react to, what videos you want me to react to, and I take it. But as much as said in every video, send me a link, nobody does it. I think probably like 1 or 3 people does it. They send me the link and the title. So that's that. But for the CNCO giveaway, that's my question. Which song and live performance made me become a fan of CNCO? And you need to be subscribed to my channel. And when you subscribe to my channel, you could send a picture to me on my Instagram page, which will also be in the bio of this video, and then answer the question below. Which CNCO song and live performance made me become a fan to the group? But as always, who could do you besides you? I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you guys so much. Bye.